Howdy everybody, this is Graham Bynum. Hey, we're doing a detailed walkthrough of the AMLI Fountain Place 42nd floor. I don't usually start from here, but I love the visual, just the way the numbers come up like this. So cool. So this is the hallway, and now we're gonna walk in. Let's go walk in. There's keyless access in there, and we've walked in, and man, this is a gorgeous apartment with floor-to-ceiling windows. Hey, it's 42nd floor, so you're gonna have those spectacular views. This is pretty cool right here. I'm going to detour just a little bit. Look at this. This is a utility room, washer dryer, but man, this all these the storage, love it, and it's visually very, very exciting too. You do have a mudroom area here too, so that's cool. But then of course, the cool part is the floor-to-ceiling windows. Pretty much floor-to-ceiling. There's a little ledge there at the top, but pretty much these spectacular views. You've got a beautiful kitchen here, very modern feel. This is a huge island. And then you've got these great appliances as well. Beautiful appliances, they're gorgeous. This is kind of a lighter mid-gray, and this is, I think that is quartz. Yeah, kind of a quartz countertop. It's kind of fooling me a little bit with granite look, but pretty sure it's quartz. Beautiful, beautiful feel. You can see the floors, they look like this. And then now, the piece de resistance is here. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at these views. I mean, this is 42nd floor. This is above most buildings here in the Dallas area. Pretty phenomenal, amazing. Wow, okay, so you tell me what you think. This is always about getting your input, your feedback. What do you think about this? It's pretty spectacular, I think. There's a number below. Send me a text and leave comments. You can leave comments below too, and give me your thoughts about it. Definitely like this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now we're gonna do a video for the bedroom and bathroom. Let's go take a look at that right now.